Hi everybody. I found a piece of a leftover of a door that the owner says that it is over 100 years old. It is made of teak. So this is the new teak, how it looks like. And this is 100 years old. This is the owner of this door. He said that it was in his house for over 100 years, but he wanted to tear it apart, and it broke up in pieces. So he gave me only this amount of pieces. See, after I clean it up, this is how it looks. This is after cleaning, after I plan it. So it's very cool piece of wood. Look at this, and this is after planning. So it's very nice piece that I have get, and I'm going to put some new teak with it and some flaming Bjork. I have this 3 pieces that I have cleaned up. I'm gonna cut them in small pieces and make a cutting board. It's a century cutting board. It's 1 century old. Okay, so enjoy. Okay, so I have sliced them all like this, all in the same size. I planned them. Of course, I didn't plan them perfectly because in the size that I need, because we still have sanding to do. So the finishing will be the sanding, and this is the second one. And the funny thing that I had this one as small pieces left. I'm gonna put them together and cut them in a perfect line, and then I will put them next to this, as it will be like opposite, so it will look something unusual. But I will not throw any piece of this old piece of wood. I will not throw away anything. So this is what it's gonna look like when I finish. I'm gonna start gluing now, and in a couple of days it will be ready. Okay, now I have started putting the glue. I put a plastic bag around it. I use this clamps, but I use the plastic bag around it. It takes, in case it will be ready tomorrow, it will take 3 days or 2 days to dry. And then you take the plastic away, the plastic bag, and you have to wait another day. So it will be 3 days gluing. And I find out by a mistake. It's like a chance. I didn't think on this before. But a few years ago, I made a project and I forget a plastic bag. I forget it in a plastic bag, and over the top of it. And when I came, the side that was the plastic bag on it was much stronger. The glue was much stronger holding than the side that there was no plastic bag on it. I don't know how. You can see the glue was putting the spaces between the wood. The glue was perfectly inside it, that I just needed to sand it a little bit and scratch the glue with this scraper, and then it was perfect. But the other side that was no plastic bag on it, the glue have bubbles, and the bubbles was making like holes between the slices of the wood. I needed to fill it up. So I do this way, and cover it like this and leave it for 2 days. And after 2 days, I come back, take away the plastic bag. I don't open the clamps. I just cut the bag away and throw it, and then leave it for a whole day without a bag around it. So it will be, it will dry up 100%. But this one, it's a small, I don't need a plastic bag on it. I'll just, when I finish, I will cut this line over here and make it like a handle or something. So, see you in 3 days, guys. This one will be for you like a couple of seconds, but for me it is 3 days. And the first one is finish. I just finish it. It's like cool. And the second one, I have cut it and glue it again in end grain, so it will be like a mini butcher cutting board. I will make it very small and lovely. The second one is finished. It's very nice and thick. Let me show you guys. It's more 4.5 centimeter thick, but it's a mini. It's 30 by 22. It's a mini butcher one. I'm gonna put some finish on it, and then we will see how it will look. Enjoy. Now the second one is done. How do you think about the grains? My God, the idea is beautiful. It's two type of wood, but the different thing is that this dark one, this one is 100 years old, and the light one is new. This is new teak, and this is over 100 years old teak. And this is flaming Bjork. It's perfect. And I made like a handle on the sides to pick it up. And of course my stamp. Please everybody, if you are still watching, subscribe to my channel. And thank you to everyone that have subscribed to my channel. I wish you the best in your life. Have a nice day, everybody. Bye-bye.